As just explained, appositives are two words or phrases with similar meaning following each other in a sentence. They convey similar meaning and they are generally used for laying emphasis or broadening the scope. For example, Henry is a suave, refined orator. The two words here, suave and refined, are appositives conveying a similar meaning, being used here for laying emphasis on the refined oratory skills of Henry. Let's take one more example. You see, abstract and even unintelligible have similar meaning. However, the second term here broadens the scope of the first word. Abstract is something which is difficult to comprehend. Using even unintelligible suggests that the article may be incomprehensible. So the first example here reflects the quality of laying emphasis, and the second example here reflects the quality of broadening the scope. Let's take one more example. Please pause the video and come up with your broad expectation from the correct answer choice. The mansion is so expensive that it is likely to stay unsold. That is the core meaning of the sentence. And here we have an appositive construction. The two parts here are supposed to be similar in meaning. However, this to an extent bit suggests a broadening of scope, and therefore we would like to have a word which is more strong than expensive. So a word such as unaffordable fits the bill, suggesting that the mansion is so expensive to an extent unaffordable that it is likely to stay unsold. I hope the concept of appositives is absolutely clear. Let's take a GRE-like example now. Here is the question. Here is the correct 4-step approach. Please pause the video and solve this. A prominent economist recently lamented, as in expressed regret, that her field suffered from a lack of certain intellectuals. And then you see, right after this phrase, the certain intellectuals, the sentence talks about people with entirely new ideas through which something can be achieved. Of our interest here is this part of the sentence, from here to here. The second part talks about these people having entirely new ideas, and the first part here talks about these being certain intellectuals. So what type of intellectuals are supposed to have entirely new ideas? Unconventional intellectuals or innovative intellectuals? Traditional means just the opposite. Pretentious just doesn't match. Iconoclastic are path breakers. This definitely works. Superfluous means extra, redundant. This won't fit the bill. Abominable means hateful, just not correct. Unorthodox very much matches with unconventional. So this works. C and F form the correct pair of answer choices. I hope you got this question correct through the correct reasoning, and more importantly, I hope that you understood this very interesting concept of appositives. Good luck with applying this concept in practice. Thanks for watching.